Assalamualaikum and hi doctor. My name is Muhammad Syamil bin Syamil Nizam. My matric number is CE 200013. I'm from group 6. I will present our group assignment question 1A I Roman, 2 Roman and 1B. So let's go to our first question. A I Roman. So this is a triple integrate and at the manual solution, the answer I get is 203 over 120. At the Maple software solution, at number 1, this is add from question. I just copy it and the answer is automatic got same like manual. So for number 2 and 3 and number 4 is step by step. So we integrate this first, and second integrate, and lastly the third integrate. So we got for our Maple solution is same to our manual solution. Okay. Next for 2 Roman, the double integrate. So the question we give like this, and then we double integrate it with 0, 2 and -1 to 1. So and then we integrate first integrate and then second integrate. So we got answer 76 over 3 at our manual solution. At the Maple solution, for the number 1 is add from our first step. I just copy it and we got answer the same like our manual solution. For number 2 and 3 is step by step. We integrate first dy and then we integrate dx. So we got the same answer like our manual solution. For last question for me, IB is a triple integrate by using spherical coordinates. First, we need to convert to spherical coordinate. So we got P, rho, phi, and theta. So we got like this. And then triple integrate the formula, we use formula and we got like this. And then step by step, we get answer like this. At our Maple solution, I use plot. NP plot is our NP plot. This is our 3D spherical. This is our 3D cone, and this is a 3D combination of cone and spherical. And this is our solution for the Maple. So this is from the question. Just copy for number 2, and then number 3, 4, and 5 is our step-by-step solution for Maple. For at number 6 is answer from our manual solution. Is because it's not same, right? So I just copy it from the manual solution to the Maple, and we got like this. And then I simplify it. We got the same just like number 5, right? Okay. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So my name Muhammad Aikar Haziq bin Muhammad Azli. My matric number is CE 200-158. So I will briefly explain for question 1C, 1 Roman and 2 Roman. So for 1 Roman, using polar coordinate, we need to get the answer in unit. So this is our solution for question 1 Roman. So basically this is a double integral and then we get the answer 15 over 8 pi. So for our Maple solution, we'll get the exact answer from manual calculation. So this is our answer for question 1 Roman. So we'll get 15 over 8 pi. So for the second 2 Roman, so this is our plot for this patient. We will put this plot And then for our calculation, get the answer from here is 0.414. But in this unit, we need to convert first. In the maple solution, we need to convert by calculator, and then we still get the exact answer in the percentage form is 0.414 in unit power of 2. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name Ahmad Amirul Ashraf bin Osman. My number metric AE200001. I'm from section 9 and group 6. Okay. In this video, I will explain about the software calculation for question 2. Okay. For question 2A, the question asks to find first partial derivative for the function. Okay, for the first function is x power of 2y divided by z power of 3. First, we find the differentiation of fx. So we have get the answer is 2xy per z power of 3. Okay, for differentiation of fy, we get the x power of 2 divided by z power of 3. And differentiation of fz, we get the negative 3x power of 2y divided by z power of 4. Okay, for the question A2, the equation is exponential power of yz multiplied by cos xy. Okay, first, the answer of differentiate of fx, we get a negative y multiplied by exponential power of yz multiplied since xy. And differentiation of fy, we get the answer z exponential power of yz multiply cos xy minus x multiply exponential power of yz multiply sine xy. For differentiate fz, we get the answer is y exponential yz multiply cos xy. Okay, that's for question 2a. Okay, for question 2b, the answer us to find the dz du and dz dv by applying chain rule. So I have put the function for x is equal u plus v, y is equal exponential v, z is equal ln x power of 2 minus 2 multiplied by y. Okay, for dz du, we have to differentiate z and u, and then we get the answer for dz du is negative 2u plus 2v divided by 2 exponential v minus u plus v power of 2. Okay, in the manual calculation, we get the answer 2x per x power of 2 minus 2y. So this 2u plus 2v is actually is x, 2x. So the 2 multiply exponential v is actually 2y, and this is x power of 2. So the answer is same with the manual calculation. For the dz dv, we have to differentiate z and v, and then we get the same answer with manual calculation, but this is in the software calculation. The answer is 2u plus 2v, but it is same in the manual. Okay, for the question 2c, okay, the question asks us to show how d2z per dx2 plus d2z per dy2 is equal to 0. So I have differentiate. So the equation is exponential y multiply cos x plus exponential x multiply sin y. So I differentiate x 2 times and get the answer exponential x sin y and exponential y cos x. And then I differentiate zy 2 times and get exponential y cos x minus exponential x sin y. And then we add the differentiate together and get the answer is 0. Okay. For question D, uh, the question asks to find dz dx from the function given. So the function is y exponential x 2 minus 3y exponential yz plus 4z exponential xy minus 1. So to find the dz dx, we must differentiate fx divide by differentiate fz. And then we get dz dx is 2y exponential 2x plus 4yz exponential xy divide by 4 exponential y minus 3y power of 2 exponential yz. And then we want to look more proper. We put pretty dz pretty dz dx and then we get the proper answer. For question D2, the function also the function given 2x power of 2 z power of 4 minus 5 ln x y z power of 2 minus 4z. Also have to find dz dx. So differentiate fx divide by differentiate fz. And then we get dz dx is equal to 4xz power of 4x 4z power of 4 minus 5x divided by 10 per z minus x power of 2 z power of 3 plus 4. The answer from this software solution is also same with the manual calculation. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Hafiz. Nometric ECE 2035. Today I want to talk about my group assignment, multivariable calculus. I did the question 3 and question 3A. The question asks to calculate the division of curl of vector. As given, the vector is exponent 2z plus y I hat plus sine yz power of 2 j hat plus cos y z x k hat. We know that the curl of vector is cross product, and then I using the matrix to solve first, and then the answer is division of curl is 0. Next is question 3b. Question 3b asks to find the work done by force field. Vector given is 3x power of 2 I hat plus y power of 2 j hat on the particle when it moves from 0, 0 to negative pi 0 along the curve C1 and C2 in figure question 3b by solving work done. After that, after the calculation, I need to judge whether the force vector is conservative or non-conservative. This is the figure, and this is my calculation. We know that I using the cross product calculation using matrix. After that, input to the work done formula. Hence, work done of curl vector is conservative. Lastly is question 3c. The question asks to evaluate the equation and give a cone with height of 9. We know that the cone is z equal to square root x power of 2 plus y power of 2. From that, we know the cone at the first octane is the circular with radius 9 on xy plane. And then I change to the polar coordinate so I can solve the question and get the final answer. And prove it with MATLAB. This is my MATLAB. I using the I suppose call a field burst divergence to get a curve and get the answer same with the question 3a. After that, with the same call for field burst and divergence to get the answer, and get the answer is same with the question 3b. And lastly is question 3c is quite same with the answer my calculation at question 3c. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Ahmad Haris Akmal. Number metric is CE200145, and I'm from the class Multivariable Calculus, section 9, from group 6. So now I'm going to explain about question 4, which is about Gauss theorem and Stokes theorem. So now for our software, I decided to use an online software which is GeoGebra to find the first question, which is it is required for us to sketch the graph of the surfaces. So manually I have sketched it already. So this is what I got sketched from the calculation, manual calculation. Now we are going to use the software, which is the GeoGebra. So firstly we need to put the equation, which is from the question, which is equation 1 is equivalent to x square x square plus y square and equals to 4. Okay, this is the first line of the equation. So the second line goes 4 is equivalent to z equals to 4, and third is g equivalent to z equals to 0, and finally a equivalent to z equals to power root x square plus y square. Okay, now we can see the diagram, the figure of the answer, which is similar to what we drawn, which is like this. The z is 4, and this is the value of z, and z is 0. So the same input, and we have the same values output. So moving on to the calculation, which is find the divergence of f arrow x y z. So to do that, we need to take this formula, this value, we put it in our software, which I'm using Wolfram Alpha online software. So we just put the value, which was we put divergence of f bracket based on the question, which is x y z bracket is equal to bracket y x y z. So we can see it is similar. Y, X, Y, Z, X, Y, Z. So we click enter. And the output seems to be x plus 1, and from our calculation it is x plus 1 as well, so it is correct. So moving on to C, a vector field oriented outward is given by this formula. So for us to sketch the surface of the plane, we need to use also the 3D GeoGebra software, online software. So firstly we need to put the lines, which is the ABC, which is given here, which is the three values, which is already given. So we just need to put it here, and let's say it's A equals to 0, 1, 0. This is the first value. B equals to 0, 0, 1. Second value, and the third value. C equals to 1, 0, 0. So for this we need to put the coding as for GeoGebra. We need to put A is equal to pyramid. The pyramid, and we need to arrange the values, which is C, B, A, A. So now we got the shape. Okay, as you can see, this is given as the output of the software. So let's check what we have drawn ourselves. It is similar. The graph of the plane has the similar output, so it is correct. So moving on to the next question, which is evaluate this formula by using Stokes' theorem. So for this, firstly we need to find the dy dx by using the Wolfram alpha, which is from the question, which is given, which is 3/2 here. So firstly we need to put in the value of let me put it next to the keyboard. We put this in this bracket 1 minus x minus y plus y dy dx. So now we just hit enter. So the software will run it by itself. Okay, so first it will show us the indefinite integral and calculating so on, and so this is the formula that we needed for us to continue to find the output, which is the limit is not shown, so we can put our own limit, and this can be ignored with the pi r square, so we should put our own. So for us to do the software, I'm going to use Simulab. So for Simulab, we can put our own custom limit, which is like this. So we take this formula, the front formula, and we put it in Simulab, which is limit 1, our limit, which is 0, and another one 1 minus x 0, and now bracket 1 as shown as the previous output of the software. So now we can just hit go. Okay, now this is the output. So from calculation, the software has given us 1/3 for the final answer. So for checking as manually, we have got 1/3. Hence the the software has proven correctly and our calculation have proven correct as well. So that is all from me. Thank you.